Welcome back, tactic time traders. Today I take you through the most powerful tool predicting the market reversals in the Bitcoin market. Want to know how to spot those crucial pivot points in the market before they happen? How to trade with confidence and strategy based on proven techniques? Stay tuned because in this video I share the secrets of the pros. Let's dive right into the charts and bring this powerful tool to life. Ready to take advantage? Let's go. To start, what are pivot points? To put this simply guys, pivot points are dates in the market where a reversal will occur. Whether it is a high or low does not matter. The point is that you can trade these movements on small time frames by knowing the direction based on the daily chart. Personally, I will trade these movements on a 5-minute time frame during the London and New York session because there is high volatility at that time. Let's take a look at the daily pivot points in the Bitcoin market to show you how precisely these movements have been in the past. To be clear, this is not a false strategy but years of research into calculations that I will show you here. As you can see, we have been predicted the best reversals in the markets since 10 December. In this case, you can clearly see a high-low system. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Look at this. Have you seen this? Have you ever seen this anywhere else on YouTube? I didn't think so because this is the real knowledge behind the charts and that is what every trader needs to be successful in trading. I know that many traders can be successful using basic analysis, but this is not the big deal you want. Do you really think that banks, institutions, Wall Street for example take their trades using basic analysis? No, they don't do this guys. Go ahead and subscribe already to this channel if you want to see more of this in the future because I'm here to stay and show you the real knowledge. Okay, we also see on the daily chart that there is a strong support resistance zone where the market has still not broken through. I also don't think this will happen in the coming months as there is so much hype in the crypto that there is a president in America. We will ensure that this bull run will continue in the coming months. Yes, I'm talking about Donald Trump. We also see that the market at the top is respecting a fair value gap at the moment and it's a matter of time when this will break out. Let's see from 20 January what will happen from the moment Trump officially becomes president. But for now let's look how you can trade these pivot points during the London and New York session. Step 1. The day a pivot point will happen, go to the 30-minute time frame and mark the opening of the London and the New York session. In Europe, this is 8 AM for the London session and 3:30 PM for the New York session. You can see here that I have already indicated the London and the New York session. Step 2. Go to the 5-minute chart and start looking for consolidation zones, change of trend or liquidity points before the London or New York session starts. In this example, you see the beginning of the pivot point. You see that the market has only rise before the pivot point and we also see that there is a nice consolidation zone where it shall break out. Furthermore, we also see that liquidity has hit the top and this is a confirmation that the daily pivot point is a high and we can look for sell positions. There are traders who use this liquidity sweep as their entry point, which is possible, but in this case we can play it safe and wait for the London session and the outbreak of the consolidation zone. We see the opening of the London session and what do we see happening? We see that he hits a liquidity point in the consolidation zone and from there starts to make a downwards move. You can view this as entry point to place sell positions, but in this example we are waiting for the outbreak of that consolidation zone. Now, we see the market breaks out of the zone. To play it safe, we only enter the trade when the candle has closed out of that zone and that is our first entry that we will place. Your stop loss always above highs and lows, in this case above the high or to play it safe above the consolidation zone and your take profit at different low points. Now, what do we see next for the New York opening? We see that there is a small consolidation zone and we indicate this. What do we want to see? Indeed, the outbreak of that zone. You take your entry again at the close of the candle that has broken out the zone, stop loss above the high or above the consolidation zone and your take profit again at different lows. A little mind game for you. If your trades are in profit, place your stop loss in profit or risk free so that you can't lose anything and can just follow the market and take your profits when lows are hit. This can be from the first low but also from further lows. This is completely up to you. We are in a downtrend, guys. The daily pivot is a high, so we're looking for sells. And these were the two trades for that day. With a nice lot size, this is a nice profit. Depending on the size of your account, this is called risk management. You can continue watching the next day during the London or New York session for the further sales as long as the daily pivot goes in the same direction as the day before. But this is for the next video. And that's it. With these insights about daily pivot points, you are ready to approach the market in a completely new way. Remember, success does not come by chance, but by tactics and timings. Did you find this video valuable? Let us know by leaving a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis and strategies. Become part of the Tactic Time Traders revolution and share your insights in the comments below. Together we build a community of smart and successful traders. Also, in the description you will find the link to our Discord server, so I see you there. Until next time, stay focused, stay tactical, and keep winning.